guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to learn how to use charcoal for teeth whitening. I've seen lots of videos of people applying activated charcoal powder or charcoal toothpaste as a teeth whitening. However, I've been wondering if this process is painful, if charcoal works, and how to apply it correctly. So for a whiter smile, you need half of a spoon of activated charcoal powder, a toothbrush, and a clean plate. Wet with water your toothbrush and then grab with it some charcoal powder and begin to brush in circles all over the top and the bottom teeth. Don't put any pressure, just smooth circles like this. Keep brushing and brushing and brushing for 5 minutes to let charcoal absorb all the stain. If you swallow some charcoal, there's no need to worry, it's completely safe. Time is up, proceed to mouthwash with some water to get rid of the charcoal powder residues, and then brush your teeth with your regular toothpaste. Does the charcoal teeth whitening work? This method is not painful, which is good, and it doesn't have horrible taste. And I can see how my teeth look brighter, like polished, and quite whiter, so overall I'm happy with the results. Here are some tips for before and after using charcoal teeth whitening. Floss before doing this procedure. Don't replace regular toothpaste for charcoal, and use it 2 times a month for better teeth whitening results.
Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this channel, don't forget to subscribe. It's free. See you next time. Pura vida!